Join me as I dive into the depths of Kriya Yoga and challenge myself to practice it for a whole week. Can I master its techniques and discover its true essence? Kriya Yoga is a powerful spiritual practice that combines specific techniques to enhance personal growth and meditation. It's a holistic approach that aims to awaken the individual's full potential, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. One common misconception about Kriya Yoga is that it's just another form of physical yoga, focusing solely on postures and breathing exercises. However, Kriya Yoga is much more than that. It's a spiritual practice that seeks to transform the individual's inner world, leading to a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Many people also think that Kriya Yoga is a quick fix, a magic pill that will instantly solve all their problems. But the truth is, it's a journey that requires dedication, patience, and self-awareness. Another challenge people face is the lack of understanding about its true purpose, which can lead to frustration and disappointment. Kriya Yoga has its roots in ancient India, and its core techniques are designed to awaken the individual's spiritual energy. The practice involves specific postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques that help to balance the body's energy and quiet the mind. Unlike other forms of yoga, Kriya Yoga is a more subtle and introspective approach, focusing on the inner transformation of the individual. By practicing Kriya Yoga, people can experience a range of benefits, from reduced stress and anxiety to increased energy and vitality. The mental clarity and focus gained through Kriya Yoga can also improve one's relationships, work performance, and overall well-being. I'd like to share with you a story about a Kriya Yoga practitioner who experienced a profound transformation through this practice. She was struggling with anxiety and depression, feeling lost and disconnected from the world. But after committing to a daily Kriya Yoga practice, she began to notice significant changes in her life. She felt more grounded, centered, and at peace even in the midst of chaos. Her relationships improved, and she discovered a new sense of purpose and meaning. What's remarkable about her story is that she didn't just experience external changes, but also a deep inner transformation that radiated outward, touching every area of her life. This transformation didn't happen overnight, but through consistent practice and dedication. As she continued to practice, she found that Kriya Yoga became an integral part of her daily life, helping her navigate life's challenges with greater ease and confidence. In essence, Kriya Yoga is a powerful tool for spiritual growth and self-awareness. It's a journey that invites us to explore our inner world, to quiet the mind, and to awaken our full potential. By embracing Kriya Yoga, we can experience a deeper sense of connection, compassion, and understanding, not just of ourselves, but of the world around us. If you've got any thoughts on Kriya Yoga or have experienced its benefits firsthand, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about spiritual practices and personal growth, be sure to check out my other video on meditation and mindfulness.